Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to host a hide and seek party in Heartopia. So in this newest update, there's a brand new gameplay that you can play together with other players that called hide and seek party. And honestly, it's really fun. And to host one in your own house, first just tap on the smartwatch, and then next just tap on party button, and then next just tap on hide and seek. After that, just set area of your house that you want to use for the game. Just set it as you like this, for example, like this. And then next just tap on complete. Just tap on complete if you satisfied with the area. And then next in here just setting the game permissions, and then just tap onto a party. And then next you can invite other players to join. And if you invite players who aren't on your friends list, you will need to pay 500 coins for each invite. And after inviting everyone, just wait for players to arrive and then just start the game when everyone is ready. And inside the game, you will randomly get a role like this. You can become the mysterious Grimkin or a journalist whose job is to find the hidden players. And as you can see in here, I got the Grimkin role, and this role can disguise themselves as house furniture, so you need to blend in with the owner furniture and hide as naturally as possible so nobody notice you. And okay, that's how you can host a hide and seek party in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!